Alright, so they got the UPS guy stuck in traffic, and they're gonna start lighting him up and use this car as a shield, pedestrian car, start lighting it up with the UPS guy in there and just lighting it up. And look at the UPS guy. Poor guy getting shot at. You see him go for his stomach. The criminal gets slumped over. And this is in plain traffic on Red Road and Miramar Parkway in Broward County. Absolute insanity. This is terrible police. I don't understand how police could just do that with the UPS driver right there. Doesn't make any sense.